So there's your clock. So when they arrive, they will present a time card at you.
Hello, how are you? Good. 41? Yep, no problem at all. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
On a door cavity thing, eh?
Hello folks, how are we?
2.
What time would you like?
We'll take 40. Take 45.
45? No
45.
Problem. Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy. Hi up.
47.
Hello, how are you? 149?
Yeah, okay.
Perfect.
51.
51 doen we.
Alsjeblieft.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, how are you? Good, good.
You okay? Okay.
Enjoy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy. Hello, how are you? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy. That's very kind.
Oh, crikey.
Good for you, yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
30 seconds.
That's the thing nowadays, I think.
3, 2, 1. Enjoy.
Have a nice
See ya. Hello, how are you? Good, good. 3, 2, 1. Enjoy. 2, 1. Enjoy.
Morning.
Hello, how are you? Good, thank you. Okay, 02, no problem. 0210.
0236.
0236. Okay, 30 seconds.
That is what we wanted to hear. I will take your check sheet.